Hey friends, hope you're doing great. So you have only 1 week left now for your examination, and this 1 week is very less indeed. But by saying so, I'm not trying to give you any panic attacks. Remember, it is not the number of days, it is always how you utilize the less number of days. And in this time frame, there is no other option than attempting the mocks. So in this video, we are going to discuss in details two questions here: how to attempt the mocks, and another question that I usually receive is even though I'm trying to attempt the mocks or I'm attempting the mocks, I'm not able to score good marks or increase my scores here. Okay, so these questions will be answered in this video, but before that, let me clear one doubt here. When we are talking about mocks, we don't only mean the full mocks. We mean to say the full mocks, the sectional mocks, the daily quizzes, and the previous year questions also. So these four parts should be your strategy now for this 1 week. Now moving on to the questions that we have arised in this video, that is how to attempt the mocks. So to answer this question, I'll take one example here. Let me consider a candidate who is attempting 50 mocks and another candidate is attempting 25 mocks. So it is not always that the candidates who is attempting the 50 mocks will be selected and the other won't be selected. So it all depends on analysis. So the candidate who was attempting only 25 mocks, if he analyzed the mocks properly, so he is the one who is going to crack the examinations, and other won't be able to crack the examination if you are not analyzing. So this is the major part of the mocks. So even though you are attempting the mocks, it's very important that you analyze those mocks. And the second point that I'm trying to say is the utilization of the mocks. So how you can utilize mocks to increase your marks. So one thing you can do here is that you can take a note copy where you can write some points regarding some new things or some new methods that you have learned. So you need to take one mock, analyze properly, and whatever new things that you have learned, you are going to use those new tricks and techniques in the next mocks. So like this, your marks always increases. So in every mocks, you are learning new things till your examination. Okay, now so these questions are answered. Now another some additional things that I want to add here in this video is how many mocks. So for prelims, you have 7 days now. So you can go for 20 mocks, maximum 20 mocks and minimum 14 mocks, like 2 mocks a day. So here you might also say that you have less number of mocks because you have been giving mocks all these days. So if you are preparing for RRB PO, you can also go for the IBPS PO mocks. Okay, so this thing you can consider for yourself. So for 7 days, so minimum 14 mocks and maximum 20 mocks. Okay, so 3 mocks per day you can give, so 21 mocks will be there. And if you're talking about the mains, here I'll talk about the mains as well. So basically we get 10 days for SBI examination before mains. So 5 mocks is sufficient for 10 days, and you can calculate now how many days is left for your RRB examination, mains examination. So like that you can count and see. So in mains examination, mainly the number of mocks does not matter at all. Even though you are attempting 3 or 4 mocks, you can correct the examination by proper analysis and practice. Okay, and then let us talk about the sectional mocks here. So this was about the full mocks. So now we are going to move on to the sectional mocks. So if you have taken subscription of any website, then obviously you are going to get full mocks, sectional mocks, and daily quizzes. So in the 7 days, try to cover the 70% of whatever sectional mocks that you have got in the subscription. Okay, and if you're able to do 100%, that's very good. And previous year questions. So when you're talking about the previous year questions, 2 formats you will get. One is in the exam format and another one in the PDF format. So when we are talking about the PDF format, obviously you will get in the exam format. So obviously you are going to get the timer already. So there is no point of questioning here. So you'll be attempting like mock test only, the previous year questions. But if you are downloading any PDF, any previous year question paper, then For every section take 7 minutes less, means for every section you have to take 13 minutes. Okay, so out of 20 minutes that you are getting in SBI examination, so deduct 7 minutes from your timer and try to solve those questions in 13 minutes. So this is how you can increase your speed. And why I'm saying you to decrease your time, because you are doing at home comfortably and you're also doing from PDF, where the comfort zone is much better than the online format, because we are always we have the habit of studying from text, so from the childhood. So it's always better that you always put the timer less when you are trying to do from any PDF or any book. Okay. And then for Arabic examination, because that is going to be a composite time, so instead of 45 minutes you need to take 30 minutes maximum. Okay, so this is how you need to practice. I know 30 minutes is very less for Arabic PO examination, but keep those 15 minutes, like from 45 minutes 15 minutes you keep, and try to solve like some questions for 15 minutes. That has to be extra. Okay, but if you take in one sitting, then 30 minutes is enough. Okay, then daily quizzes, you can go for Adda 247 app and Olive Board app. So they daily provide the questions, you can solve them. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you have a clear idea of how you are going to spend your 7 days, the most important days before your examination. All the best.